They have paid over $12 million to many people. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to do affiliate marketing. You don't need any video to earn money on this app I'm about to show you. It is free and simple, very easy to use, and even you don't need any skills to earn money on this app I'm about to show you. All you need to do is just play games, watch free ads, and collect your money. And with this money, you can use it to do anything you like. You can go to holidays, you can also go shopping and meet friends and have a nice time out there. Okay, before I show you this app, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so anytime when I make new videos like this, you will be notified. Welcome back, guys. This app has paid over $12 million to their users. You earn reward on this app, and this reward is what you can turn to a cash out with Amazon card, Visa card, or Google Play gift card. Okay, and they also have many other rewards that you can earn on this platform. Okay, you just redeem your unit and turn it to Amazon card or a Visa card. It depends on what you want. Okay, what you have to do on this app is very simple. You just need to discover new games that you love and play them, okay, and you earn units for that, and this unit is what you're going to redeem then to Amazon gift card or Google Play gift card and etc. So you may be asking, how does this app gain their money? They earn money from advertisement. So it means that when you're playing these games, okay, you will see advertisement, and which is totally free. If you don't like, you can even skip the ad. It is very easy. You leave the ad to play and you gain money for that. Okay, you get units for that, and the more you play, the more units you get and the more money you make. There are other things that you can do. The achievement unlock. Okay, you unlock achievement badge when you complete missions. Okay, and every badge you earn will give you more units to spend on reward. This is how it works, guys. It's exactly what you love doing. You can do this anywhere you are. You can do it in the train station. You can do it on the queue. You can do it anywhere and have fun with it. So far, you like playing game. This is a very easy way to earn money online. Okay, I don't say you're going to earn millions from this app, but obviously you're going to earn a little money from there that you can use to do other things. I mean, you're going to earn at least $10, $20, $30 for just only playing games, guys. This is very, very easy money to earn. And there are other ways you can earn money with this platform. They have a weekly contest that you can win maybe $100, $400, or even $1,000 prize. And this money you can use it to do anything what you like. Okay, if you like, you can use it to go shopping. If you like, you can use it to invest in your business, or you can even use it to go in holidays. Okay, it's depend on you what you want to do with the money. And what makes this thing also more fun is that you can also play this with friends, and you can even meet new people with this app. This app allows you to see what your friends are playing, compete with them on the leaderboard, or just kick back and have a chat with friends. So it means this is very amazing. You can also meet new ones with this app and chat with them and even compete with them. That's what makes it more interesting for you to play games and make competition online, guys. All right, so this is very easy way to earn money. It can get more easier than this. You just need to play game and you earn money for that. You can earn money just for playing games you love. All you need to do is just go to this app, discover new games that you will love to play, and you start playing them and earn money for it. The more games you play, the more money you're going to earn. So the first step you're going to do is just discover new games, okay, and then play and collect your unit. This is very, very easy, and after that you redeem this unit for some reward. Okay, so this is what you need to do to earn money with this app. But what I want to tell you is that you can download this app only on Google Play. You can download it for iOS for now, It means it works only for Android. On iOS, I mean, you still have to wait, because I think in the next future, very soon, they should be launching their iOS app that you can play this game also on the iOS. Okay, so for now you can just only play it with Android. It means you can only earn money with your Android phone with this app. Okay, all you need to do first is to download this app. Go to Google, make the research on Google Play and download it, and you can start playing game with this app. The name of this app is called Misplay. Okay, you just go to misplay.com, or you can go to Google Play and search for Misplay, and then you will download this on your Android phone, and then you can start playing it. Okay, to earn unit, and which this unit are what you're going to redeem for gift card or Amazon card or Google Play gift card. So this is how you're going to earn money with this app, guys. Make sure you leave a like on this video. I really appreciate it, guys, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure you also check my other video updates, and I will see you there, guys. Peace.